Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. In this video, I'm going to share with you an incredibly lucrative strategy based off a certain price action structure that we're seeing and this alert. This was a trade I sent to my Discord group on Friday. We entered here. In fact, there was a few trades we took on Friday that worked out quite well, but this one has given us quite a nice outcome. And those of you who are still in this trade, trailing with your stop loss, congratulations, well done. This is a decent payday. So let's just go into the chart and I'm going to explain the strategy. If you've watched a few of my videos, you'll notice that I talk about this price action. I'll explain this in a sec. In previous videos on this particular alert here, the dot, I mentioned a few times that this alert works really well in a ranging market, in a sideways market. I mean, if we extend that out, enter at the level here, okay, enter at the same level, nice, enter here at the same level, nice, enter here, okay, when you get the pullback to where the dot is. But we're not going to talk about trading the range as such. This is going to that next level with this strategy, and what it's about is this. In fact, if we open up the alerts, I've set this on the 3-minute. I'm going to set it up on the 1-minute as well. So what we're looking for is this. I'll just draw this out down here. You want to see the market ranging and then the volatility kicks in. All right, now let's just say the 4-hour daily, the higher time frame is bearish. We're looking for bearish opportunities. So in its simplest form, we're looking for this break here. It's a fake out and then the shakeout, and then we get the trade. The dot, well, there's this one. This is going to tell us when we break out of a range where price is overextended, and this is going to be where we look for the opportunity. So if we come back into this price action here, the market is bearish overall. Well, we're looking for a bearish opportunity. We define that on the daily, the 4-hour. So once we establish our trend, we then look for where the market's ranging. We get a bit of a fake out, a shakeout, and then we get the trade. Now, how do we know when to enter? That's the question. And this is where the alerts come in. Look at them all here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Forex pairs, etc. We want to be paying attention to the alerts at certain times. This is critical. Certain times. It's going to be around news release times. Okay, we could trade the news, and session open times. So what we'll do now is we'll run through a few of these and have a look. Bitcoin. This was a trade setup I spoke about in my last Bitcoin video. Let's just take it down to the 1-minute time frame. Well, this is the kind of thing that I'm talking about right here. So you have somewhat of a sideways moving market, and then we get the fake out, the shakeout, and then the market rotates. Okay, we can actually trade more or less directly off the alert. Let me just open this up a little bit. This is the trade setup I was talking about in my video yesterday. Okay, here it is. Have a look for our candles. We can see these white candles. Market's ranging, and then we get the breakout, bit of a shakeout. And if our bias is bearish, that's the alert we're looking for. We go into Discord. I actually abandoned this trade. I wasn't happy how it was trading through the London session. Some of you might have stayed in it, but this was the setup, Bitcoin. See here, you can see where it's ranging here. We get this strong break on the 5-minute chart. This is the resistance level I was looking for the opportunity, seeing the market break down through here. In any case, keeping this simple, we have the alerts. Ethereum. Let's just have a look at these. That would have given us a fairly similar opportunity. Here it is. This is it, right? So we've got this ranging market. I'm looking for the pullback. We get the fake out. Okay, it's ranging. Fake out, shake out. That's the alert. And then once you start to see this break down, what we're looking for is these green candles to turn red, to turn white, red. All right, that's the alert. Pulls down. This pullback here is your opportunity. The other alert we get is the triangle, the breakout. All right, so this is telling us the market's overextended, and then we get the breakout. That's the breakout there. Another opportunity to short. Okay, just having a look here. This is the Australian dollar futures, right? So here it is. You want to wait to see the market ranging. Then the volatility starts to kick in. This line up here is actually a monthly level of resistance. Look at the alert. Look at that. And then the opportunity. There it is. You can trade this one as well. But generally, if the bias for your trade is bearish, well, you're looking for bearish opportunities, especially when it trades into the resistance. We'll just pick a few of these. What have we got here? Crude oil. Go down to the 1 minute. Again, okay, we're looking for this pattern. We see the market ranging, balance area, and then we get this strong push out. There's your alert. That's your trade. All right, there's your outcome. It's quite specific in terms of the strategy. And, I'm not going to be taking every one of these alerts, but if we see, especially where it breaks both sides, this one we probably would have taken that. Again, you're going to be looking at the higher time frame. See, this is resistance here. This is a daily level. Our indicators give us that. So you're not going to be wanting to buy into resistance. If this had traded more like something like that, that's your opportunity at resistance. These opportunities are everywhere, but we really have to make sure we're looking at price action, and we want, this one was a little bit difficult to read, but again, like if you see the alert firing, come in, what have you got left? Well, you've got this range, you've got a strong move down and a strong move up. It's in a bearish market. That's your short. Go with the trend. See how we've traded. This is a resistance level up here. It's ranging. And then we start to see the volatility. I mean, that could have been a short. But really, when you see this, that's your opportunity. Big push up, overextended into resistance, entry. Watch the candles. You're really looking for where you see an imbalance. And we actually see that here. So this candle left and right, it never really got resolved. Okay, I prefer to see it trade back up into this level. Have a look over here. See that? That's the market rebalancing. That's your opportunity. Now, if you want to, you could set a sell limit order and leave it alone. You set your sell limit order at this level, come back to it at some stage. I mean, we're on a 1 minute chart, so it's not too far off in the future here. But look at the outcome. Okay, so really take note of what I'm saying here as far as entry. I mean, you may have caught it, you may have entered here, and if you did, good for you. If you missed it, this is where it comes back to rebalance and your stop loss will be above. TP1, if you entered actually here, well, you're in the money. At TP1, you can pull your stop loss down. Have a look at our dots. Your stop loss, if you did close TP1 here, pull it down to, follow the dots right here. So your stop loss is sitting there and you're clear because this is coming back to rebalance. Wicked through a little bit, but didn't take your stop. I'll be doing more videos on this. I think this is the opportunity that I really want to focus on over the next while. And this is a combination. We're going to be using a combination of this signal here and our cloud breakouts. So if you're a little bit conservative and it's too aggressive getting in up here, wait for this guy or this one. And there's your pullback entry is here. That will get you in a little bit later in a lot of cases. But anyway, look at the outcome. It just kept going and going and going, and I mean, that is a big payday. So with that, I'd like to invite you to join our Discord. It's free to join. The link is below, and definitely go to that next step. Join us in VIP. There is so much value. Go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Here are some options from $10.95 per month. Scroll down. This is a 6-monthly, a 3-monthly option, and a monthly option, discounted lifetime. Take advantage of this opportunity and join us on this journey. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.